The GoPro Hero 8 Black. Should you buy, sell, or keep it in 2021? Let's find out right now.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Let's go.
First time I was filming it upside down. I just learned how to not skid at one time. I still skid a little bit. I learned how not to skid.
In my own arsenal, I have the GoPro White 7, which you can see right here, which was released by GoPro in September of 2018. 2 years old, and there's already 2 more models since then. Then, in October of 2019, GoPro released this, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. 4K, and just a monster of a camera. White with a 1080, black with a 4K, which put GoPro in a whole nother realm of action sports. Now you can capture everything in the 4K, 24 frames per second, which is a year later, October of 2020. What does GoPro release? The 9, which I got in the mail. It's still unboxed. And we're here to talk about, should you buy, sell, or keep your GoPro Hero 8 if you have one this year? Here's some footage from the GoPro White from Montana, which was just taken a few months ago. And I want you to see if you can see a difference between that and the GoPro Hero 8 Black, which I'll show you after that. We're here at a National Register of Historic Places, established in 1883.
Open your eye.
Smells really good.
You comfortable? Yes.
Oh, there's
Is
the
there
face.
someone inside you? Yes. Who is it?
I don't know.
If I ask you for help, you
That's what happens.
answer.
Yes.
Mountain biking.
If he talks to
There's
I think he'll leave. Do you want him to leave?
No.
I'm speaking to the person inside.
the question today is not about the 7. It's about the 8. What can you do with it? Should you buy it? Should you sell it? Should you keep it? Well, from the footage I've seen so far of the 8 versus the 9, the 8 is super comparable. To the naked eye, you can't really tell a difference. Yes, the 9 offers 5K. Yes, it has a higher resolution rate. But can you really tell if you put it in front of you, the difference? If you upload something to YouTube, will they be able to tell the difference that you shot it on the GoPro Hero 8 Black or the GoPro Hero 9 Black? I don't think so. There are some advantages to the GoPro Hero 9, but let's get into the 8 right now. With the 8, it was a must to upgrade to the batteries. I actually bought the GoPro Hero 8 Black batteries from Best Buy, the originals. I didn't buy from Amazon. I know you can get it for a cheaper price. I just wanted to go with something that I can trust, that I knew that would hold the charge, because the battery life, if you own one of these, you got to know it's going to be sucked out within an hour, if that, depending on if you have it on, if you're continually rolling. If you don't have these, then you might as well not even have this for the day. The thing with the GoPro Hero 8 Black is you could use batteries from previous generations. So if you're looking to upgrade, to sell your 8, to get the 9, you're not going to be able to use those same accessories. But again, the batteries is so key. So if that's something, if price is really an issue and that makes a big difference, that's one reason to buy or keep your 8 for right now. If you're thinking about selling it to upgrade it, which I'm debating, I was going to keep both, and now I'm on the fence of should I keep my 8? Should I go with the 9? Here's the key difference. I bought the media mod, or I had the media mod, and then with the media mod, you can actually buy a display mod. That was an extra after tax, and everything else was about $170, $180. But the thing with the 9 is it comes with that display in the front already. You'll see I was able to use the 8 without a monitor, without a selfie stick, without something looking in on me. If you just angle it the right way, does a media mod, does a display make a big difference? Maybe. I mean, if that's something that's really key for you, then, and you don't have the 8, maybe you invest into the 9. But right now you can get the 8, some great used deals. You can get it new for a pretty good deal. And again, the battery accessories are the major thing that you want to think about when investing in this product. Well, what are you going to do with it? Are you looking to do travel vacation photos, action sports? What exactly is it going to be used for? Because there's a whole nother charger system. And with this, you throw in the 2 batteries here. You have one, I keep 3 batteries, 1 in here, 2 here. That way you can always be charging. Need that extra backup. Again, if you're taking a trip out, whether you're walking, hiking, mountain bike riding, you're at a sports event, you just want to make sure it doesn't shut down. Also, the other thing too is the disc in here. I mean, the disc you can use for both systems. It's not going to, that hasn't changed, the small sand disc. But do you need to upgrade to something much bigger because you're going to that 5K? That's going to take more footage. In 2021, what is really needed? That's what you have to ask yourself. Should you buy it? Maybe, perhaps, if you don't need that front display mod. Yes, the 9 also has a media mod, which has a bit of a bigger microphone. But from everything that I've seen, there are ways to put a windjammer on here. Do it yourself. I was going to buy the Rycote windjammer. It's out of stock at most places. But then I saw other do-it-yourself where you can actually put some tape around the microphones on the 8 and even the 9 where the wind would blow, and that would be in lieu of the media mod, which then puts you in a position to be able to put a microphone on top of that. Do you need a microphone with it? I know I've heard footage with a microphone. I've heard it without the microphone. Is it really needed if you have the windjammer on it? Will that microphone help out that much? Again, it just depends what you're doing. I think if you're just starting out, if you just want to play with it, go ahead and try, and I'll post a tutorial up of what I will do to put a windjammer on here. Or I'll do it if I do my unboxing the GoPro Hero 9 right here. But should you sell it? If you have this, should you sell it? Again, it goes back to, should you buy it? You should sell it if you think you're going to get more value, if you get value for the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and you're able to upgrade to the GoPro Hero 9 comfortably. On the website was $449. They dropped it with a year subscription but you have to do the GoPro year subscription for $49.99, which bumps it up to $400. So you're paying $400 for the GoPro Hero 8. The GoPro Hero 9, but you're also getting what GoPro was doing. It was a promotion. They're throwing in an extra battery. Keeping it might be the safest way to go. If you have it, you're comfortable using it. The settings are essentially the same with the GoPro Hero 9. I just figured out my settings of what I wanted to use it for when you're talking on camera, when you're filming something in action, when you want to slow something down in post. Again, these are some things that they'll carry over, but what's going to have the most value for you right now in 2021? Can't give you the answer. Well, let's wait. Let me think. Can't give you the answer, but if you take some of these things, look at the intangibles, like what's really needed. Am I going to be able to get maximum value from my GoPro Hero 9? Is it going to be something that's a game changer for me? Will I be able to make money or monetize from this? Because essentially, if you're using this for your own photos, for your videos, for your memory, for your collection, it's not going to make a big difference. Then I would say in that situation, keep it. Again, if you think it's going to bring you additional value, it's again the value, proposition of value. Will it bring me something to myself? I can't answer that for you, but what we will see is, look for the unboxing of this, the windjammer. I don't know what to do with. Looks nice, and it doesn't even look white. It looks silver. Look at that. It's silver. It's GoPro Hero 7 silver. Yeah.